You defied my instructions to come here. We have things to discuss.
About the girl you murdered.
Oh, never mind the girl. I want to talk about you.
You're wasting your time. Many have tried.
Amateurs.
You're professional. A professional sadist?
Light blue. Fearless. Or are you? Each man has his breaking point, you know. And you are no exception. Ah, you react. Are you afraid of me? What is going on up there?
Disgust.
You think you're strong? We'll see. Du must emboss oder hammer sign.
You must be Anvil or hammer.
I see you know your ghetto.
And you see me as the anvil?
Precisely. I am going to hammer you. Number 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything's under control. No, sir. No problems. Assistance? Oh, no, sir. I can manage. Yes, sir, of course. Be seeing you.
You were saying something about a hammer?
Get out.
Thank you very much.
I'll break you, number 6. Yes. Give me the supervisor.